At Legendary Automotive, safety is a priority. Our touch-free service allows you to drop your vehicle off and then go about your business. We'll take care of the rest. We sanitize the vehicle prior to and after each service. We can stay in communication with you, our customer, digitally through email and text or by phone. Our key drop allows you to drop your vehicle off at any time. We will leave your keys sanitized right on your seat. Schedule any service that you need today. Visit our website at www.legendaryfl.com. Come experience the Legendary service difference.